The pioneering and distinctive works of Christo and Jeanne-Claude have delighted admirers and collectors from all around the world. After a struggle spanning for almost a quarter of a century, the wrapping of the Berlin Reichstag finally happened on June 24th, 1995. The present piece was executed by Christo in 1979, and it was the sale of works such as this which initially enabled to fund the project. This collage and composition is a beautifully executed pastel with rich greens and blues. But what is very, very important and characteristic in this work is the presence of the actual fabric and twine within the work. Also, when looking closely, you can see there's a bus within the composition as a collage. Now, this is no accident. It's actually very important, as Christo always wanted to give a sense of scale to show the monumental size of his projects. Today, the Berlin Reichstag is acknowledged as one of the most important, if not the most important installation of Christo, as it attracted millions of visitors and made the Berlin Parliament probably one of the most famous buildings in the world, well beyond Germany's borders. This piece is therefore a fantastic opportunity for any art lover.